You're so scrunkly now. You okay? You okay? Hey, you want more? You following it? Do you want more? Actually, I'm probably not gonna do more. It's not. It's. Jeez. I don't want to make you cold. You're already so scrunkly. Look how scrunkly she is. Scrunkler. She's so scrunkly. Then we have Lime over here. Does not want to take a damn bath. Yeah, that's right. Hold on. Water bottle. Get over here. Here, watch. Yeah, I'm not trying to scare you. I'm sorry. Here, look. It's just what? Okay, yeah, I'm not good. God. It's just water. You need a bath. I haven't gave you a good spritz in a long time. Here, I'm sorry. Okay. Alright, never mind. I'll just leave you there. Or do you want me? Go on, tell me. Do you want help? There we go. Where shall we go? And you're flying over there, alright. We have Scrunkler Lemon. Scrunkly Skrunkler.